Want your new HVAC tech to actually stick around and crush it? When you're riding along with a newbie technician, don't just chat about random stuff. Focus on what really helps them grow in the company. Start by breaking down their daily tasks so they get how each job fits into the bigger picture. Share troubleshooting scenarios that they'll likely run into so they're not caught off guard when something weird happens on the job. Set clear goals for the day, like what jobs need finishing or skills to practice, so they stay on track and motivated. Go over company best practices, especially things about safety and customer service, because those are huge for keeping clients happy and the workplace smooth. Talk about recent learning experiences, maybe mistakes you or others made and how you fixed them. That kind of real talk sticks better than theory. Encourage questions and keep it chill so they feel comfortable asking for help instead of guessing. And don't forget to remind them that every day is a chance to get better, no matter how small the progress looks. One of the biggest mistakes with new HVAC employees is overwhelming them with too much info all at once, which just confuses them. Fix this by spacing out training topics over several ride times. Another common issue is skipping hands-on troubleshooting practice. Without it, technicians struggle on real jobs, so always include practical examples during drive time. Third, ignoring company culture and best practices can make new techs feel lost or disconnected. Make sure to share stories about how things are done and why, so they feel part of the team and know what's expected. BigHomeProjects.com is like a secret weapon for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, which makes growing the business a lot easier.